Hello, friends. Welcome to a fresh and a new episode of Can Guruji. Today, in this video, we are going to talk about a very important topic, which is about why startups fail. Please look at the video until the end. Going to be very informative and very knowledgeable, and this will help you rectify the mistakes that you could probably do while running your startup. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. So let's begin. Most of the startup founders feel that they are creating the next big revolution in their respective industries. But in reality, more than 95% of the startups fail. Why do they fail? What is the reason? So in this video, we are going to talk about the top 10 reasons which causes a startup to fail. Reason number 1: lack of market demand. Startups fail when they fail to solve the existing market problem. Generally, the startup companies feel the product or the service they have invented is going to be very appealing and is going to have a huge demand in the market. But sometimes this doesn't happen. So eventually, when there is low market demand, then these companies will eventually have their downfall or eventually have to close down. Reason number 2: lack of funds or insufficient funds. Startups generally need sufficient time and sufficient funds to self-sustain on the initial days. They would need capital to improve their product, develop their product or a service, or for branding of their product or for marketing expenses. Most startups do not have this kind of capital, or they fail to raise external capital through seed round or angel round or whatever external source of funds. Hence, this is one of the reasons, or I would say a most important reason most of the startups fail in the early initial days. Reason number 3: one person company or there is no team. Any company, if it has to grow, then the credit of the growth should go to the team, because one person cannot do all aspects of the company. So it's very important for a startup founder to bring like-minded people who are expertise in their own area, and they should come together as a team and work together to grow the company and take the company forward. Most of the times, startup founders fail because they want to do everything on their own, and this doesn't happen in most of the cases. Reason number 4: worrying about competition. It is common for every startup entrepreneur to face competition from rivals. It is very important to know what a rival company is doing, but there should be a balance between over concern and ignorance. Too much concentration on the competition can divert your attention from your own business goals. Hence, this may lead to the downfall of your own startup. Reason number 5: expensive pricing or overpricing. For a startup, it is very important to determine the right price of its product or a service. If the product is overpriced, And if the customer is feeling there is no value addition in taking your product or a service, then the customer is not going to buy your product or a service. So it's suggested, before pricing a product or a service, do a thorough market analysis or a competitive analysis of your own similar kind of product in the market. Reason number 6: ignoring the customer needs or not understanding the customer needs. It is very important for a startup to understand the customer, understand his pain points, and to bring in the product that will solve the problems or pain points of the customer. So please make a product or a service which the customer needs, and do not try to force the product that you have made or a service that you have made to a customer which eventually he doesn't need. Hence, in that scenario, customers are not going to take your products or a service, and eventually a startup is going to fail. Reason number 7: lack of business model or preparing a proper business model. It is very important for any startup to have a well defined and a very well planned business model. A business model is like a runway for the first initial 1 or 2 years, which are very crucial for the survival of a startup. The business model should be scalable, and it should be in a position to monetize at the earliest. Reason number 8: lack of financial modeling and lack of planning. Having a well defined financial modeling or a financial planning for the first 3 to 4 years is critical. This is going to help you in determine your expenses on a day to day basis, be it for marketing, product development, or even hiring. A well defined financial model will eventually attract investors. If there is no modeling or planning in place, eventually the startup would start burning more money that is required to run. So, financial planning or modeling is very, very important. Reason number 9: lack of passion or losing interest or passion in the business over the years. Most startup entrepreneurs start the startup with a high zeal, but eventually, over the years, when things are not going as per their wish or as per their planning, they eventually start to lose interest in their own business and their startup. And this is one of the factors where the startup is going to fail sooner or later. Reason number 10: lack of professional guidance or assistance. Many startups hesitate to take guidance from financial experts or investment bankers or accelerators because either they do not have the money to do so, or they do not want to spend that kind of money on getting advisors. But it is very important to hire a proper financial consultant or a business consultant who is going to guide you through the step and step process. Hiring a consultant is not a cost to the company, it's basically an investment in your own firm. Most of the startups fail because they do not take guidance from the experts, and they try their hands into something which they do not know of, and this leads to their failure. These are the top 10 points that make any startup fail.